Puso ito, no? Mayroon tayong mga residente, mga andito ngayon, kararating lang nila dito sa gate ng Ateneo de Zamboanga at mayroon silang dalang kandila.
Diri lang ni sa gawas, sa gawas na. Dito lang ako sa side.
So nagtatangka sila ng magpaalam para maglagay ng kandila.
Diri lang sa side.
Ma'am, magandang umaga po.
Yes.
Opo, ma'am. Ma'am, parent po kayo dito, ma'am, sa Ateneo?
No. We have friends and we felt the parents who lost their child yesterday. I know the family kasi, so we grieve with them. Yan lang sir.
Opo, ma'am. Ma'am, ano po yung prayer po ninyo? Hope sa in the future, ma'am.
Sana everybody will heal from all of this and sana no family will ever experience the same thing that the family experienced from this horrible shooting incident.
Opo.
Kasi dapat school should be a safe place for our children. Diba? Parang this is their second home. So, I feel for the parents. Thank
Opo.
you.
Ma'am, panawagan niyo na lang po sa mga otoridad. Looking forward, ma'am, sa kanilang mga paghahanda, security measures.
Yes, additional security measures and sana sana higpitan pa and sana the two children, the two students are just victims kasi, so no one's to be blamed, I think. So maybe society and social media should be parang maging tighter with violence. Yun lang.
Sige.
So we grieve with Ateneo. Today, it's a mourning day for the entire city. So we bleed blue with them.
Okay po.
Thank you,
Ang pangalan na lang po natin, ma'am. Pangalan na lang po, ma'am.
Lottie Arieta, sir. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
maraming salamat.